Commercial storefront door closers, security, safety, and function. Your commercial storefront door closer is working harder than you think. It's not just about convenience. It's absolutely essential for your business's security, safety, and daily function. In this short, we break down why these vital pieces of hardware are so important. Security, ensuring your door closes and latches properly. Safety, preventing dangerous slamming and ensuring controlled motion. Function, providing smooth operation and extending hardware life. Don't overlook the signs of a failing closer. Learn why professional service is key to maintaining these critical benefits for your storefront. Hashtag door closer, hashtag commercial door, hashtag storefront door, hashtag door hardware, security. Hashtag safety, function, hashtag door maintenance, hashtag door repair, hashtag commercial security, hashtag building safety, hashtag retail business, hashtag business owner, hashtag facility management, hashtag property management, hashtag door control, hashtag preventative safety, hashtag energy efficiency, hashtag commercial real estate, hashtag door technician, hashtag hardware experts, hashtag business tips, hashtag commercial building, hashtag entrance solutions, hashtag door checklist, hashtag building safety, hashtag asset management, hashtag reliable, hashtag physical security, slamming doors. Doors that don't quite close? Don't ignore it. Your commercial storefront door closer is more than just hardware. It's the engine driving security, safety, and function. First up, security. A properly adjusted closer ensures your door closes fully and latches securely every time. No more doors accidentally left ajar. It works with your lock to keep unwanted visitors out. A reliable close is your first layer of defense. Safety. Especially in high-traffic areas, closers prevent dangerous slamming that can injure customers or staff. They provide controlled opening and closing speed. And on fire doors, they are critical for ensuring the door closes automatically to prevent fire spread. Safety isn't optional. And finally, function. Closers mean smooth, reliable operation. They reduce wear and tear on your door frame and hardware like hinges and locks, extending their lifespan. A properly set closer even assists with opening, improving accessibility. It just works. See fluid leaks? Hear grinding, door slamming, or refusing to close? Your closer needs attention. Don't compromise security, safety, or function. For peace of mind, trust professionals for closer service.